Alright, today I have a healthier recipe because I'm trying to eat a little bit healthier. So, what we're going to be making here are green vegetables. And the green vegetable that we have today are green beans. These are green string beans, okay? So, I have these right here. It's a fat-free food, low-calorie food. I'm trying to eat healthy. So, but we're going to make it taste good by adding cheese and crispy onions. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. So first, where we're going to get started with this recipe, we're just going to open up the can like this, pull back the top like that, and then strain all of the string bean juice. Unless you want to drink it, you feel free if you want to, but I don't recommend that. Okay, pour it out. All right, so I'm just going to pour out the string bean juice. Just strain it. And then I'm going to set it aside right here. And after I pour out the string bean juice, I'm going to take a couple of pieces of cheese, one piece of cheese, and put it right there on the bottom. And then put another piece of cheese right on the bottom. And then I'm going to take the string beans, and I'm just going to place the string beans on top of that cheese. And to keep it from splattering, I'm going to place another piece of cheese on top of the string beans. Just like that. Now once I have this part of the recipe prepared, I'm going to put it in the microwave for about 1.5 to 2 minutes. Alright, after 2.5 minutes, I'm going to be careful because this could be hot. I'm going to pull out the string beans. And I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see this a little bit easier. And I'm just going to stir the string beans up with the cheese. Make sure all the cheese coats the string beans. And it's starting to look good. So 2.5 minutes in the microwave does it right, okay? And once you stir it up enough, it turns into like a sauce type of concoction. And then that's when it's pretty much done. And then I'm going to add some green onion, or not green onion, but some crispy onion. Absolute goodness. It's going to really bring out the flavor of the string beans. I'm going to take some of this green onion, crispy onion, and just place it on top. Just like that. And then it's all done. That's some cheesy string beans with crispy onions on top. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness. Let me know if you have any questions about this recipe. Thanks a lot for watching.